Hi, I'm Frail Bacana, and I will be your instructor for Microcomputers and Interfacing. The purpose of this course is intended to enable learners to understand, analyze, and apply the fundamental concepts of microprocessors and microcomputers. The course focuses on the architecture, operation, and programming of the 8086 microprocessor-based microcomputer system, with emphasis on register organization, instruction set and addressing modes, memory and I/O interfacing, interrupt handling, and basic peripheral interfacing for real-time applications. This is a 15-week course delivered in a hybrid format, with instruction conducted partially online and partially through face-to-face sessions. Online components include asynchronous learning activities such as recorded lectures, readings, discussions, and assessments delivered through the learning management system, while scheduled in-person sessions focus on interactive lectures, hands-on demonstrations, and practical laboratory activities. This blended approach supports flexible learning while maintaining direct instructor-student engagement in line with higher education institution (HEI) academic standards. In this course, you will develop the ability to explain the architecture and operation of the 8086 microprocessors, write and debug assembly language programs, and design basic memory and input-output interfacing systems using the 8086. These competencies form essential course learning outcomes and are important not only in the electronics and computer engineering field, but also for professional practice in areas such as embedded systems, industrial automation, robotics, and control systems. As the course progresses, you will engage in a range of learning activities and assessments, including lectures, programming tasks, simulation-based experiments, quizzes, assignments, and project work designed to measure the achievement of these course learning outcomes through both theoretical understanding and practical application. So, what will we be doing in this course? In order to achieve the course objectives I just shared with you, you will be responsible for completing a variety of assignments, activities, and assessments that build your skill and demonstrate your growing knowledge in this topic. This course contains periodic quizzes, internal assessments, and a final examination, along with practical programming and interfacing assignments designed to demonstrate what you have learned in this course. These assessments include a combination of multiple-choice questions, short-answer problems, assembly language programming tasks, and a mini-project are cumulative for the material covered up to each assessment. Specific details, due dates, and point values for these exams and projects are provided in the course syllabus. I will typically grade and provide feedback on assignments and activities within 1 week. These assignments and activities will give you important practice and help you think critically about the concepts, programming techniques, and interfacing methods covered in this course. Details about all of these assignments, activities, and assessments can be found in the syllabus, along with grade values and due dates. Throughout the course, you will have regular engagement with each other and with the content through these assignments and activities. These are designed to help you build your understanding of the content and to see different perspectives. It is important that we treat each other with respect and recognize that people are coming together in this class from a variety of different backgrounds and experiences which may be different from our own. It is also important to recognize the limitations of communications which are mediated through technology. Sometimes messages may be interpreted differently than they were intended. It is therefore important that we always assume positive intent when reading and communicating with each other in the course. In the event that there are concerns or confusion about a post or other message in the class, we must first assume that the writer's intention was positive. If this doesn't address the issue, please follow up with me directly so that we can discuss the situation. In addition to the specific requirements laid out each week in the modules, there are also some general expectations required of you. You will need to be an active participant in the course. This means that you will be expected to log in multiple times per week, keep track of assignments and activities, and work proactively toward accomplishing them, that you will interact and engage with me, with your peers, and with the content in meaningful ways, and that you will work to be collaborative, caring, and studious throughout the course. I am looking forward to working with each of you this semester and hope to spark or fuel a deep interest in microcomputers and interfacing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me using the methods described in the syllabus. Thank you.